Did you brush your teeth today? Let me see. It's a big relief that we have toothbrush and toothpaste to brush and clean our teeth. But what about our elephant friends? We can make them a big toothbrush, but how about some foamy and fizzy toothpaste? Today, we're gonna make some foamy and fizzy toothpaste. The materials and ingredients will appear on your screen in 3, 2, 1. See? We just need 5 familiar things to make the magic happen. So let's start. For our lab gown. That was quick. And now our safety glasses. Now, let's begin. First, we're gonna put half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into the container. And our next ingredient is 3 big squirts of dishwashing liquid. And our next ingredient is food color. We got red and blue food coloring. So we're gonna put it in the wall of our bottle to get the best results. And that is our first mixture. Now to make our second mixture, we have to put 2 packets of yeast on 3 tablespoons of water. Are you ready to make toothpaste for our elephant's friends? For explanation, the hydrogen peroxide that we use mixed with yeast will transform into oxygen, which is a gas, so it will try to escape the liquid, right? But sadly, the soap will form bubbles that will trap the gas, and it will try to escape out of the hole. It's just as simple as that! As much as I want to explain more experiments, I have to brush my teeth. No, my elephant friend's teeth. If you want to try this at home, seek assistance from your parents. That's it for today, guys! I'm your scientist, Cire from Schoolville Academy. Bye!